Welcome traders, Patrick at Trader, Trading123.net. In today's video, we're trading here on April 29th, 2020, crude oil. And basically, crude oil under $20 a barrel is at historical lows. And here we are starting the day, and you never know at the start of the day what the price action is going to do. Is it going to be a fast market, slow market? Is it just going to trickle? And so we like to start the day usually going for a $300 or $400 profit goal on 3 contracts or 2 contracts. It's up to the trader. And due to the volatility, we're using a little wider stop, a 20 tick stop compared to a 15. And our loss is always the same, 300, 320, 280, right around there. So this is the first trade of the day. As you see, the market, basically, you start the auto trader always in an uptrend or downtrend. Those are the rules that we give you when you purchase the auto trader. We have a set of rules for trading and timing methods that we use each and every day to time the market. High percentage reversal times when the market is known to reverse, and this is one of them right here. So we're not cherry picking. We do this trade every day. And here it is. Market had a trend reversal. It gets short 3 contracts. It sells off, and we hit our profit goal. And the whole trade lasted about 2 minutes. So that's a timing method that works, and we repeat it each day. So you want to trade 7 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning when the market's doing nothing. Yeah, you'll have losses. We trade high percentage reversal times, and this is one of them right here. So you could trade this each day with a high probability that you'll end up with some gains. So let's look at the next trade. So what we do next is we sit out a couple minutes, let the market open at 9 o'clock there, let it make some moves and see what is it going to do. Is there heavy selling, heavy buying? What's the overall trend? And here we reset it at 9:07 while it's in a downtrend. And crude has been down for several days, and it's looking to bounce back, so we're looking to catch a move to the upside. We're using the same settings. Auto trader gets long at about 9:08. 2 minutes later, 9:10, it hits its goal, prints the Trading123 halted max daily goal on the chart, and we made our money on the trade. Now, basically what this is telling me is that we have a fast market. The market, probably the VIX is up, market's moving pretty quick. So it's not like a slow summer month where crude just trickles for a half hour, moves 10 to 14 ticks. Here we're getting from the lows of 15, say 35 to 1565. That's 30 ticks in a couple minutes. I mean, I want to keep trading. So that's what you always have to ask yourself. You have to sit back and analyze the market. What's it telling me? It's moving too fast like the NQ is right now. It's hard to trade. It's just like a ping pong ball. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So let's look at the next trade, because we're going to keep trading because the market is pretty active and the range is nice. So here's the third trade of the day, and basically, as I said, the market is moving up to new highs, and the price action is pretty quick. So in crude oil, you need 15 to 20 ticks on 2 to 3 contracts to make a decent goal. And so here we reset the strategy basically right around 9:14, and while it was in an uptrend, it kept going higher, got near that 16 resistance, had a trend change, sold off. The software uses unmanaged orders, and basically we got 13 tick profit on 3 contracts, and we hit our goal with a little slippage due to the fast market. So now we're 3 for 3, and you have to ask yourself, do I need to keep trading, or should I call it a day? You know, it's always the trader's decision. Now, I've been trading for over 20 years. I'm 57 years old. Been doing this quite a while. I'm not 35 or 27, you know, like a lot of newbies starting out. So if you went 3 for 3 on a day like this, you would call it a day and come back and repeat it. You know, experience does help, because a lot of you are just staring at the chart and don't realize that, well, crude just went up 40 ticks in less than 5 minutes. Wow, that's great. But what does it really mean? So in trading, you have to analyze what's in front of you each and every day. What's it telling you? Me, it's telling me that there's a wide range. We're going to go higher or lower. Plenty of profits to be made. Keep trading. So as you see here, after the high, we're coming down to this level here, and I'm going to be in a hurry, and I'm going to reset it and try for another trade. So with the quickness in the market, I changed our profit goal to 500 instead of 420 due to the price action. And this is pretty much the downtrend that we had the last trade in. So we reset it, which takes, you know, roughly 10 seconds. All you do is check a box, uncheck it, and the strategy is ready to go. It takes 20 seconds or so to load, and you're ready to roll. So we ride this downtrend down, sells off for 2 or 3 minutes here, and then we get a reversal, 1554, or 2 contracts off at 12 ticks. So basically we just made $240, and we're halfway to our profit goal. So that's another thing, you know, when you're trading, you say, you know, you analyze the market and say, well, how many ticks can I get out of each trend? If the trend's going, say, 20 ticks, you know, I want about 70% of that, so just figure 12, 14, and we hit it on the nose. So we get some profits, trend changes, trail stop gets us out of the last one, and then it sells off, and we hit our goal for some nice gains. So now as a trader, you have to step back, take a break for a minute, and say, you know, what do I do? Do I keep trading, take my gains? I'm 4 for 4, but the market's moving fast. I got involved in a little bit of the hype. Should have took a break till 9:30, but I re-enabled the strategy once again. And here's the strategy re-enabled. This was the downtrend that we caught in the last trade. Figured, okay, we're going to shoot up to the highs here. It goes up, stop gets us out, trend change, another stop, and we hit our max loss. So that's why you should take a break. Take a break, especially after 4 winners a row. But you know, the juices get flowing, the blood flows. You're on a high, and the endorphins kick in, and you're like, no stopping me. Well, usually you should take a break, get up, walk away from the computer, maybe go outside, get some fresh air, take a walk around the block for 5-10 minutes, and come back and analyze things and start over. So me, I was on a roll, and I'm going to keep trading because the market's in a wide range. And then we got the 9:30 reversal coming up, another timing pattern, and we're going to trade it and get our money back. So here's the 9:30 reversal. Basically start the auto trader, you know, shortly after that last stop out, and I had a feeling at the open the market will go higher up to new highs, and we're still using the same profit goal. I got long 3 contracts, ran up, hit our profit goal, and this whole trade lasted about 5 minutes. So quick market, quick price action, quick profits. 2 trades, 100% winners. And we're back, got our loss back. So basically the market runs up to the highs and we say, went too far too fast, and we re-enable the strategy here at 9:35. And we're using the same settings as profit goal and targets. And basically the market peaks and then a trend change. And you know, one of the trading rules, always start the auto trader in an uptrend or downtrend. So here's where we started it. It could take all day if it wants to make a trend change, I don't care. But when the trend change happens, price actions, you're going to sell off and we're going to make some gains. Because this is the market, this isn't pre-market. And we hit our first 2 targets. And actually, I think our trail stop got in the way here on this little bounce. And we missed this move further down. We would hit our goal. No worries, because on a reversal, we only need a couple ticks. Look, we needed 1 tick, 1 tick we needed to hit our profit goal on 3 contracts. So there's no sweating here. It's like, okay, go make some coffee, come back a couple minutes later. Did it hit the target yet? Nope. All right, let's watch it hit the target. All right, hit the target. So now with the price action like this, we're going to make one more trade and call it a day. So basically we take a break for 10 minutes. We wait near 10 o'clock. What happens at 10 o'clock? Well, usually major moves. So we start the auto trader in an uptrend. As you see, we're going for the same profit goal. We're not getting greedy because we know on 3 contracts we only need like 17 ticks to hit our goal. Now you trade for $1,000. Yeah, you probably hit it, but you're going to probably have 15 to 20 trades. Here we're having 6. We're hitting our goal. We wait for a uptrend or downtrend, start the auto trader, and repeat the process as you've seen in all the trades that I did. It works. And then we're using the timing methods, high percentage timing patterns that work each and every day. I've been doing this for years now. Like I said, I'm 57. Been trading for over 20 years, and this works. So I could wake up and start trading at 10 o'clock and make money every day. So I don't need to get up early and trade at 7 o'clock in the morning or 7:30, 8 o'clock. You can start trading every day at 10 o'clock, make money. So here we're coming right to 10 o'clock. Market reverses just like I thought it would, goes down. It's our first 2 targets. We're in the money. We got nice profit goal. Our trail stop gets us out on a little bounce. And then again, what do I got? This is what they call a free trade, I guess, because we're going to get a little bounce and we go up and the goal is going to be hit, and that's exactly what happened because the range of crude oil, you know, is a good 30 ticks, 30 to 35 ticks on each trend change. So that tells you, I mean, if it was doing these little W patterns like here, up and then down, up and then down, you get chopped to death like that stop we did. But here, once the market opens and then volume comes in here at 10 o'clock, lots of institutional traders come in and they push the market. So there's no cherry picking. So you guys that think we're cherry picking, you obviously haven't been trading that long and don't know what the hell you're doing. You know, cracks me up. I was in some guru's chat room not long ago and he's like, yeah, we're going to take this trade here and I hope it works out. So I shorted it. He lost, I won. That's what trading's all about, winning. So I hope you enjoyed the videos and the trading tips. Be sure to like us on our Twitter and Facebook, social media, and follow us here on YouTube. Till next time, good luck with your trading.